before each project, each drawing, I come to the point when I want to sort of warm myself up, get my hands going, get my mind going. So this is sort of like before each sport game practice. I just, when you have to warm yourself up, that's same case when you start drawing. You just want to have this session when you get to feel the pencil. You have this more control over what you do. So I always do a weird sketches. I will always try to kind of get myself into the rhythm, and I just draw. So there will be not much talking in that video. I'll be just kind of getting myself into the shape and get myself ready for the next project. So I'll let you watch, of course, if you're interested, on how I warm myself up before starting the actual drawing. So yeah, I'll keep on going. No more comments. This is just me trying to get into the proper form before I start the actual drawing. basically 10 minutes of quick drawing like this, totally not planned, not stage or anything. You just basically draw whatever you want, and now you feel like your hand is good for the future project. And yeah, you feel kind of happy, and you're like, hey, I am happy.